What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. Winter is officially upon us. It is cold as I don't even know what out here. So if you see any kind of random boogers or anything coming out, please just disregard. We'll just get on with the video and it'll be all good. So we got a lot to talk about today. I hope you're ready. Let's go. All right, boys, and a little bit of housekeeping. Ford Takeover is lighting off May 7th and 8th. 2 full days, yes, 2 full days. 2021, it's going to be epic, guys. Huge shout out to the Horsepower Factory. That's where the dyno competition is. Mustangs of the Mid-South is putting on a massive all-Ford cruise in. And then, of course, the pre-meet is coming in hot for you. And then Saturday, we'll be back out of the track. I've met with the track owner. We've got a whole lot of, all the stuff that we screwed up last year as far as running out of room are fixed. So drag racing, mobile dyno, car show, hangout, manufacturers midway, food trucks. Boys, be there. Check out foxcast.com. Got all the information there. Let's check out some parts. All right, guys, so when you see this box, and I probably have, there's like 50 of them in here, you know this is a good day. But this is one I've been waiting on for Project 4 to 8 for quite a while, and yes, boys. Boom! Yes, it's all in there. Okay, hold on. Now, at first for 4 to 8's engine, my plan was, you know, take all the old stuff off the old engine and try to clean it up, maybe paint it. I just wasn't happy with it. So, LMR, guys. LMR for the freaking win. I got the entire kit. And please, guys, don't worry about the paint. Pop's car will be painted soon, so we're not hurting anything. Power steering bracket. Hold on, guys. We're gonna take this out so you can see this. Cast aluminum, brand new. Just like factory, natural finish. Alternator bracket with provisions for the smog, if you still run the smog. Yeah. Of course, it's the front AC bracket. I mean, guys, it's all here. It's all freaking here. Compressor bracket, I mean, and then of course, included in all of that is all brand new freaking hardware. Hold on, let me get this hardware box open. All right, so got the hardware open. It's all here, guys. Black. Guys, it's freaking ARP. I mean, how amazing is that gonna look? Guys, if you're doing a restoration under hood especially, I mean, this is it. You can spend the time to have the, you know, you can have them hot tanked, bead blasted. I mean, there's so many different ways that you can go through this, but, you know, you're still going to have pizzas that are cracked, you know, bolts that are stripped out, you know, ears that are chipped off. I mean, this to me, guys, this is a game changer. And it's all freaking brand new. And if you're really into detail, like if you really want to keep it looking brand new, you can have this stuff like matte powder coat, like do a matte clear powder coat to keep this finish so they continue to look literally brand new. I mean, guys, I'm telling you, this is freaking epic. This is going on 4 to 8, and I cannot freaking wait to get them in there. Gonna be flipping epic. All right, boys, so next on the docket, I think you may already know. Guys, if you follow me on Instagram, I've already kind of showed these off a little bit. But we're in Pop's car right now. And if you look at the vents, every one of them are a different color. And if you follow the build, you know this dash came out of a car that was sitting in a field. And we gave it new life. And it's in here and it's 100% better. But there wasn't any vents in that dash either. So I think this one is opal gray. These are titanium, and that one's actually smoke gray. That one is actually the original. But they're all different colors, and then these two were missing the center section, so I had to pull those out of other vents and piece them together, which is fine, guys. That's part of hot rods. But again, if you don't have these parts, if you don't have a cache, LMR, boys. Again, they've got you covered. And guys, Brutal did a video on these also, so you already know. You already saw him on his video, I'm sure. If you didn't, check him out. There you go, guys. I just don't even know what to say. Guys, I'm telling you, having parts made like this, I'm trying to do this one-handed, you can see, open, close. Having parts made like this is a godsend. I mean, a literal godsend. All right, so let's get these bad boys in there. I don't have both vents open, not that it matters. And they lock in tight, extremely tight. Guys, quick note as you're going back in, make sure your little tabs right here are all the way locked in. I was starting to put this one back in and it didn't want to go. This one is the same way, and the reason was those tabs hadn't locked in. I'm gonna pull this one back out and I'll show you. Okay, as you can see that one isn't seated, that one is seated. Those bottom ones are seated, so if you just give it a push, see, pops right in, good to go. All right, guys, so got them both in there. Things working. As you can see how nice and tight they are. That's the way they're supposed to be. That's great. You look over here, real loose. These are tight. I freaking love it. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these in. All right, guys, so there you go. In a matter of 10 minutes, we got all new, all matching, non-broken, non-cracked, dusty, dirty, non-sealing vents. Boom. Let's move on. All right, boys, so with this next one, we are going low, and this has all to do with your pinch welds. And if you've heard the term pinch weld and don't know what it is, that's your pinch weld. Well, what happens is people will jack your car up on these pinch welds and they'll be crushed and look terrible. As you can see, mine, it was done, and I came in with some channel locks and bent them back as best I could. But guys, LMR's got you covered. As you can see, those go in there, stick a ratchet in it, and you can perfectly straighten out your pinch welds. Make them look like new again. Now, the reason these get jacked up is because, especially on lowered cars, unless you have a super low profile jack, you can't get under it. So people will take the easy way out and do this, use the pinch welds, but they've got you covered there. Also, check these bad boys out. Again, boys, we're going low again. So let's get right under here. They're magnetic. Look at that. No more trashing your pinch weld. And actually, I need to clean that up a little bit because it should slide right over it. Take the trusty jack, position it right under there. As you can see, look at there, guys. You're not going to tear anything up now. Especially at the track, or if you got a super low car, or don't have access to a low profile jack. That's a godsend right there. Okay, guys, so just real quick to show you how this works. I'm gonna say this was bent. Just put your ratchet on there, straighten it out, come over here, and then you switch directions. Bend it a little more. Just go the entire length of the car. Again, guys, I've already done this on my car because I'm kind of OCD about this. But this tool right here will get them perfect. And once you do that, maybe hit them with some touch-up paint. Just another little detail, guys, make your car look good. Okay, guys. These actually are somewhat representative, or I can't even talk today. They somewhat favor like the Weld V series, just a little bit, not a lot. But these are the new comp drag wheels from LMR. Guys, I'm telling you, I need 2 hands. I need 3 hands. But check these things out. These are awesome. Now, the ones I've got are 5 lug. The rear, I've got a 15 by 10. And then for my front, you already know. Got the 17-inch front runner. 17 by 4.5. Because, yeah. Pull these off. I love new wood. Guys, it's like Christmas. Christmas is like 25 days away, but boys, let's get these things out. I've got them on cardboard here, guys. I don't want to scratch them up, but as you can see, black finish on the outside, and then kind of like a matte brushed finish on the inside. Guys, these are thick. They're freaking beefy. I'll throw up the weight and everything and specs here on the screen, but I mean, these are clean. These are a super nice wheel. A little bit of a lip there. They take a spline drive. I'll throw them up on the screen. It's a spline drive style lug nut. I mean, even the detail right there where the valve stem comes through is black. Yeah, these are great. And guys, they're not super light. But they're a lot lighter than, you know, a normal style wheel. So you're going to save quite a bit of weight, reduce rolling resistance. And then, of course, the 15 by 10s. Now, these have a decent lip on them. Not a huge lip, but enough. Definitely enough. But I know you're wondering, how are they going to look on the car? Well, let's put them on. Guys, if you're anything like me, you're dying to see what these look like. So, ask and you shall receive. All right, boys, here we go. Don't want to scratch them. Let's see how we look here. Yeah. All right, guys, so I know I don't have tires, but man, we got clearance everywhere. I mean, mass, guys. So if you're wondering about Cobra brakes, mass clearance everywhere. You can see up in there, tons. But guys, I'm telling you, and let's look down here. They're gonna sit perfectly flush. My wheels turn just a touch, but you can see very, very, very nice offset, right, pushed right to the edge, exactly how you want them. Yeah, put the Mickey Thompsons on there. Those are gonna look good. I freaking love them. Okay, so I already know. You guys, I already know. You want to know. How do they fit? How do they look on the back? Pfft, let's do it. Guys, I'm going to tell you, those little things are going to save me so much time at the track. And I don't have to buy a low profile jack, even though I probably should. There they are. Yeah. Again, guys, I don't have lug nuts yet, but got room everywhere. You can see. Back a little bit. Yeah. Let's go straight up. Now, guys, these are gonna, again, these sit right at the edge, so it's gonna have a nice, they're gonna look really aggressive. yeah. I'm sorry I don't have tires, guys. It's, you know, bear with me. All right, boys, so last but not least, not to forget you 4i guys, another interior part, another part that, you know, is invaluable. Shock access covers for the hatch, 83 to 86. Just another part that you couldn't buy before, now you can. So, again, hit up LMR. Yep, K-member mounts, the nutserts with all the hardware. Again, guys, we go through so many of these doing these swaps that you would not believe how many are rusted and just totally wasted. And it's nice to have an option. Thank you, LMR, to put something new that works on it. And yes, guys, we'll be hitting the track very soon. Whew. I think I need to go inside. It's freezing out here. Boys, I'm working hard for your dollar today. But no, guys, again, huge shout out to LMR. Just they continue to innovate with these new parts, and you know, a lot of them don't seem huge and sexy, but when you need them and you don't have access to them and you can just go on the internet and buy it and it shows up at your doorstep a couple days later, that's huge, especially for keeping these cars going. A lot of money goes into R&D and production to bring those parts to you. I appreciate it, and you know, show them some love even if you don't need the part right now. It's a big deal. All right, boys, so that is what is up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I've got some more stuff to show you, but you're gonna have to wait for the next video. So I promise you, you're not gonna want to miss it. Lots of parts flying, and the reason I'm showing off so many parts is because it's the holidays. You know, treat yourself a little bit. Get something for your ride. Hook it up a little bit. Yeah, guys. Again, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I definitely need to end it here. Later.